Alright guys, this is going to be a quick install video of the Scott Drake Wicker bill. So I have a 2018 base model Mustang. It came with this OEM spoiler right there, which a lot of them do. So I bought it hoping that I didn't have to drill any holes on it. So after seeing a video of some kids installing it, I don't think I should be drilling any holes, but I'm gonna go ahead and double check that. But to get started, you know, you just pop the trunk, and there's gonna be 7 of these guys right here. You pretty much just use a flathead, pull them out, and then 2 of these rubber grommets. You just unscrew, and we'll go ahead and catch up later. It's pretty much easier on these guys to use some needle nose pliers. All you gotta do is, you know, just kind of wiggle it in there, hold on tight, and then just pull out. Make sure it doesn't fly out. You're gonna have these 2 guys deal with, which is you know, the release and then also the hook right here. So once you have it released, you could just kind of wiggle this thing out of there. It's no problem. So the Wicker bill that I got, it has 4 screws, so I just want to make sure there was 4 screws on this stock one as well, which there are 2 right here, 1 and 2, and then I have these rubber grommets right here just blocking the other 2, which is 1 right here and the other one right there. Just a little flathead will take that out, and then you have access to the bolt. Alright guys, so the next step after removing the 4 bolts would be just to lower it and pretty much run some line through, because it does have double-sided tape from factory. So just run some line, start pulling it out, eventually taking it off, and of course you're gonna have to clean it afterwards. So more or less that's how the underside of that wing's gonna look like. Just a lot of double-sided tape, a lot of dirt. So pretty much just clean it up. The holes are already there, and it's just a quick install after that. All right, so more or less it's gotta be pretty clean. Let's see some bad spots, but it's 2 years old. It's an old car, and then it's ready for the install. Just drop it in. It's got double-sided tape right here. Clean the excess glue. It's either a glue off, or I use some WD-40 and just wiped it off. But this is the Wicker bill installed. Should look something like that. It's not complete, still missing the plastic piece right there in the center. I did, however, like a dumbass, drop this bolt right here, so it's probably easier if when you're gonna install it, just kind of lower it and use your other hand to throw it in there. These 2 were simple. This one I got, no problem, but I do have something there. My wife's fucking laughing at me because I'm an idiot. So I'm just gonna put this back together, and then I'll show you guys how it looks afterwards. So here you guys have it. Install time was a little over an hour. The hardest thing, or the shittiest thing to do, is basically just removing the glue. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty much straightforward. A couple of clips, couple of bolts. An R&R process, but it looks a lot better for sure.